My name is Rachana. I am from Kamal. I done my graduation in 2022 in the branch of Computer Science and Engineering from MLI College. After graduation, I am joined in JSpiders. One of my friends prefer this JSpiders, and before that I don't know any knowledge in Java. So after that, I am joining JSpiders. I learn more knowledge, more technologies like Java, SQL, and web technology. So Java, Pawan sir only teach. They teach from scratch. So he give the more knowledge in that, and he provide lots of programming questions also. And SQL, Professor teaches SQL, and he also give me how to solve queries, everything. So in this institute, I am attending total 7 interviews. In that, this is the last interview I am got placed. Delta